yeah. His last name is White, and he was born black. Freddie's good as they come, always gotta go back. His last name is Black, and he was born white. Kenny is faithful and loyal, always stands for the right. Now those two been best friends since the playground. They both scraped elbows. They met when the school nurse told them, you must be blood bros. I won't let you down. I won't let you down. You are my friend, that's to the end, wherever we go. I'll lift you up. I'll lift you up, yeah. I've got skin in the game, our blood is the same, don't you know? And that's all that matters. Oh, that's all that matters. They went from Little League of Baseball to Friday Night Lights. They're bagging groceries at Moe's, flipping burgers at Ike's. And before you know it, marry me, have a child or 2 or 3. Kenny joined the police academy. The table needs food, the kids need new shoes, oh well. Freddie buckled down and got his CDL. This old life keeps challenging the thickness of their skin. They passed the test with flying colors. That sickle cell thing attacked Freddie. We thought he's a goner. Kenny stepped up and became his bone marrow donor. I won't let you down. I won't let you down. You are my friend, that's to the end, wherever we go. I'll lift you up. I'll lift you up, yeah. I've got skin in the game, our blood is the same, don't you know? And that's all that matters. That's all that matters, oh yeah. Freddie White drove long haul over the road and grew faint of the long white line, till he finally landed a driving job in the city. Kenny Black is the finest in rank and file, holds in virtue the thin blue line. Walks his beat with a rhythm, always willing and ready. It was a night like no other in old Big D. Freddie drove a packed bus right down to the scene. El Centro was alive with all kinds of chatter. Some were chanting to a cop that their black lives matter. Kenny say, well, of course you matter. That's correct, I'm not here to protest that, just to protect. All the sudden shots ring out, a flurry from above. In an instant, Kenny lie there in a puddle of his blood. Freddie saw it and ran against chaos to be by his friend's side. Kenny yelled to him, get out of here, man, run! Just go save your own life. But with his very self as a barricade, Freddie dragged his dear friend away. I won't let you down. I won't let you down. You are my friend, that's to the end, wherever we go. I'll lift you up, yeah. I've got skin in the game, our blood is the same, don't you know? I won't put you down, down, down. I won't put you down, down, down. You are my friend, that's to the end. Wherever we go, I'll raise you up. I'll raise you up. I've got skin in the game, our blood is the same, don't you know? And that's all that matters. That's all that matters. His last name is White, and he was born black. Freddie is good as they come, always got your back.